say if we'll only avoid any confrontation with the enemy, he'll forget his evil ways and learn to love us. All who oppose, all who oppose.
What is going on, my mighty fine people? If I say amped up, that's cause I am after another dope battle. Who has the heat? Shout out to Cadillac Jackson for pulling out the victory, of course, in the sudden death. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Thank y'all for stopping through. Another epic battle. He moves on to the championship round to go against either Hot Dog or Gone AWOL. I'm back outside in the elements. I can see it actually finally cooled off. Thank goodness, thank goodness, thank goodness. Go check out the home team as well. I got my Edison Chin video up. Check out the Sis 313. Smash that like button, slash the link to get on and link in with her so she can get to 1K. The bros trying to hit that 2K. PMKICKZ and MCFLYKOF. I'm on my way to 5K myself. So you can tell a family member, friend, come join the Money Squad. We always trying to do stuff. Hashtag brick by brick. Now, other than that, also some other things coming up. The Who Has the Heat Award show again on the 29th. Time to be determined. We're going to be giving out some stuff to the chat as well as some of the ballots. So the first question should be dropping sometime this week. By the time you see this video, the first category nominee should already be up. Now, with that being said, you already know what this is. It's not a personal pair I want to see first, but definitely gonna get a personal pair. These are dope. These are crack. These are lit. Those of you who slept on this shoe, you're gonna hate it. The young man did put his heart and soul into this shoe. It's basically the accents represent not his favorite team, the TC Horn Frog. The number 6 represents his heart surgeries, while the lace feature the can't even talk to the hospitals where he received care. So enough of that stuff. Let's get into it. People don't like the 14s, right? But Jordan did play in the 14. You got this DB box, Edge 14 Retro DB. So you got the RF code. So just the retail price, 200 of them things. You see the colorway, black, white, court, purple, multi. It's just a very dope shoe. And then you can see the young man, Ethan Ellis. You can see his story, 16. So basically they're just going up last year. Well, actually going backwards because last year was the 15 with the black and gold joint. You already saw that. And you get all that information. Shout out to you, young man. Job very well done. So you got the freestyle paper with the freestyle on it. Man, the Alabama Slammer is back. And every time I do a video, somebody always got to be revving their engine. These guys want to be burning rubber and doing it. But wow, woo-wee. That's like, look at that iridescent look. That thing is lit. I'll tell y'all what, them pictures do not do this shoe justice. These are straight fire flames in the back of this shoe. I think that's Seattle, if I ain't mistaken, represented on the back. That is done dope. Matter of fact, let's take this out like so. Gotta be very delicate, because I'm pretty sure each shoe got something else on the back of each shoe. And like I said, I was correct. There we go. We got double up action now. Double it up. So underneath, look at that. Nice purple herringbone, iridescent, whatever you gonna call. Then you got the gold hits there. You got the white Jumpman with the Roman number 14. So definitely you can see a ball in these shoes. Then you see got the hits of the iridescent look here. You got the suede nubuck here. You got your mini Jumpman here. Doernbecher laces. Good grade of suede nubuck here. Jordan on the tongue with the white lettering here. Jordan on the tongue with the black lettering there. And then you got purple laces on this side. You got the vents, right? Because this shoe is a Tinker Hatfield shoe based off of the sports car, right? Ferrari. So of course you got the emblem here, his name. Then you got the iridescent look, like that chameleon paint job, that flippy flop, right? You feel me? See right there, you got the 6. Like I said, this is based off his TCU horn frog. You got the 6 representing his surges, and I'm pretty sure this represents, like I said, I think it's Seattle, if I'm mistaken. So you got the super fat Jumpman now, and then here, and then normally with your tail light, so this is in purple now, instead of your normal red. Coming around on the side, this side is, you see that flip flop? Ooh-wee, candy in the paint. And then you got some little spackles here, like wet paint. So people from Texas would be, down south just in general, would be happy with this. Very well, it's got a little glue stain on it, but this is a nice shoe. Very, very well done, like I said. You got some extra laces. You got black in here. I don't think you got none in here. And then on these lace tips, you got iridescent here, which you got some inscribed right there. Then you got some more laces right here. So you let me know what you would go with. More of the white and white, purple or black, or leave it like it is. Then you can do your QR code inside. Inside the tree. Go Frogs, go Sonic. Yep, so that's Seattle. I was correct. 12th man. And then here you got white, go Sonic. I mean, man, the details what you want. Details is what you get with these bad babies right here, right here. I'm gonna leave it like that. So, only little meter. I'm gonna give these joints I'm gonna give them a 5 out of 5. This is well, I am really impressed. I know. It's a 14, but 5 out of 5. You feel me? Y'all we can agree to disagree and chop it up in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Thanks for all the love and support. Like I said, we're on the road to 5K. Go support my family. Underneath, click on those links, sub up, chop it up with all of us. It's Emoneyshoes. Hashtag Brick by Brick. We out. Peace.
It's the South's favorite mixtape supplier.